In the beginning of your chemistry class, you might have gone through Dalton's theories. He had these series of theories, and one particular theory was that you can't create another element from a different element. For example, you have oxygen here, and you have this nitrogen here, and there was some chemical reaction that was done to form this, and he said that it was not possible. Well, this particular theory actually was disproved later on the line. And that is because of this term called nuclear transmutation came about. Nuclear transmutation deals with particles, the subatomic particles within the nucleus. So what does that all mean? Here's an example of an element. So it has 3 protons, so this must be lithium. Now, this lithium is a very simplified version and has a nucleus which is inside. It has protons and neutrons, and it's got electron around the nucleus. The nuclear transmutation then, therefore, is basically playing around with what's in here. Dalton might ask, how is it possible to change one element to another element? Well, it's by manipulating, doing something to this nucleus that will change a cause from one element to form into another element. That transition is called the transmutation. And it is through the nuclear reaction, the number of protons and the neutrons change or the neutrons change, therefore getting a different element. Remember, element is defined by number of protons. It doesn't really matter how much electron has been changed. What really matters is, well, has the number of proton increase or decrease? And based on those increase and decrease in the transmutation is what's going to cause one element to become a different element. Here are all the different types of nuclear transmutation: alpha decay, beta decay, gamma, positron, and electron capture. All of these guys, we will go in detail in a different video. But what I want you to know that especially the highlighted or the box ones are the one that's going through some kind of changes within the nucleus. And whether that's a proton becoming a neutron or neutron becoming a proton, it is the inside the nucleus that causes the change. So in other words, if Dalton were to ask, how is it possible to change one element to another element? The answer is through nuclear reaction.